So yeah, I went to the pizza store and I'm coming back. I'm on my way back. When I got there, I had to use both my hands to do the debit machine, so I put my phone in my pocket and it turned off. But you know what? It went really good, you know. Pizza turned out well, better than I thought. And I think they put more than just 2 meatballs on there. So that's good. Because they said they were going to put 2 meatballs, but it looks like more than 2 meatballs. And I didn't get splashed by a car from being on the side of the sidewalk. And like I thought I was going to, maybe a little nervous. Sure, everybody kind of feels that way unless they want to get splashed by a car from driving through a puddle. I don't know. Most people don't like that, especially when it's cold. I don't know. Some people like jumping into puddles, and I kind of do. I kind of like jumping in puddles, but it doesn't go too far right now. I got too much in my hand. Okay. I don't know if you could hear me. I hope you could. There's a lot of surround sound. Oh my god. Okay, I'm back home. I'm so excited to be back home. Hi.